day of internship at Hello guys, today is 9th of September and it is a very important day because today is my first day of internship at I'm excited and nervous both. I have my mentor meeting today at 3 p.m. It is now 2:45. I'm wearing formals and I'm a bit nervous as you can see from my face. But let's hope things get okay and I'll see you after the meeting. So guys, I'm all set for the exam. I don't know when you'll see this vlog. Today it is September 20th and I will not be posting this before October, so it would be quite long. But yeah, I'm going to give my second test. Yesterday's test was terrible. I lost around 10 marks easily, but I was not upset about it because my tolerance for failures have been increased because of so many rejections. But yeah, I'm not sad. My paper went terrible. Today I have done quite good revision. And hello guys, I'm back from college. My paper was really very nice today. And now I have two meetings to attend. One is at 2:30 p.m. The other one is at 5 p.m. The first one is with the HR and the second one is with my mentor. To the worst of that, held on to every broken spot. I wish I never told you I feel so close to this. Your hands still stained with colored dust. I'm shot from all your brokenness. Still wish I never told you I feel no, not enough. But is this So guys, it is around 7 o'clock right now. I'm going to have some coffee. I had a very bad mental breakdown before this. My meeting ended around 5:45 and now it's time to like relax. I relaxed a lot and now I need to refresh myself because I have to study for the exam. So let's get started with the work actually. Guys, that I'm having 3 modules to study. So we shall start with one today.
What is this?